What's up guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing some art. We're going to be drawing.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry, man. No, I'm
We're going to be doing some art in a virtual reality world using the Oculus Quest 2. Make sure you guys click that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate all the love. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're in the map. I kind of split up this into how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. 7 squares. Try to get them as even as possible. I'm gonna be doing little portraits in each of them. So let's get started with the first one.
A few moments later.
I don't like what I've done so far. I'm just gonna cover this up.
You gotta be ashamed of yourself, nigga. Real talk. You gotta be ashamed of yourself. Old as you is. You a old ass nigga. Nah, real talk. I respect you. I used to, nigga. I don't respect you.
Try to be careful. For those who spray paint, I gotta give y'all credit. Because this isn't even real. And I'm like, damn, this is tough. But I genuinely feel like I'll be better spray painting in real life. I don't know, I feel like I would.
This is KINGSPRAY music. This is KINGSPRAY music.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know who you'd like to see next. I'm thinking to do Killua, Hiska, Graffiti, and the other people on the show. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to see the next video. Peace out.